Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add product reviews to your Bigcommerce store. Product reviews help build trust and give potential customers the confidence to make a purchase. Now, let's get started. From the Bigcommerce dashboard, go to the storefront. You can also access customers or products, or select specific products. In the Products section, go to Reviews. Here, we can check each review or approve the review so it can be added to the store. For example, if there is a review here, just check it. We can approve reviews manually, or use the app to approve selected reviews. Click on the review or select Approve Selected. We can also choose which product's reviews to approve. Here, we can see the reviews or comments about the product once they are added. Go to the Review section. We can add them if needed. Let's display them. And that's how we add reviews to a Bigcommerce store. Including customer feedback helps boost engagement and can improve the store's conversion rate.